You sit in the light that no man eternal rock of ages, what could stand against you? What could stand before you?
Amazing miracles are happening in the place, prophet. This gentleman for the past 1 month was suffering from an inflated ligament, prophet. There was swollenness in his left knee, prophet. He had injured himself for the past 1 month. He could not move. Prophet, you just ministered to him, prophet. Instantly, the inflammation went down